Hello, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with FanPay. So current depot show FanPay in India issues only RuPay prepaid cards, which are not compatible with international platforms like Roblox. Additionally, many users have encountered declined transactions when trying to purchase in-game currency using FanPay. So there's a three-step workaround to get Robux with FanPay. First of all, buy a Roblox gift card via FanPay. Use FanPay's FamCard or UPI to purchase a Roblox gift card from a reputable site. This is currently the only reliable way to indirectly use FanPay for Roblox. Redeem the gift card on Roblox. Visit roblox.com/redeem, log in and enter the gift card code. This will instantly add Robux to your account. Finally, use Robux normally. You can now use the credited Robux for in-game purchases without linking any payment method directly to Roblox.